Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate your, your text to speech in CapCut web version. So you may now open CapCut.com. Don't forget to sign in, or if you don't have account, please register. Please sign up. So here we go. You can create a text to become or your voice to become text in this CapCut. So the first thing to do, you can try this one, text to speech. You may want to try this one. Click. So you can generate your voice here by create your voice. But before that, please type your text here and pick voice to bring your words to life. So here you can try to type and this and create new. So you can create voice instantly. This feature is free for now. During this time, you can create custom voices and use them to generate speeches with a cap on how many characters they can be. So here you can agree and start record your voice. And also, there are a ton of voice that you can try. For example, this one snaps like voice of Blood Prince. Click. So here and select this voice after you type your text. And this is the Trevor and so on. So this is the result. You can show the you can see the result in here. You can hear the result in here. So here, feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click below. See you in the next video.